after yourself. Come with me.
Do you miss winding down a car window manually? Computer floppy disks? Looking up numbers in the phone book? If so, it may take you some time to get used to your new windows from Magic. But soon you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. With innovations like retractable bug screens to let more light in your home, Magic Windows make other windows a thing of the past. For more info, visit us at magicwindow.ca. It's not really magic, it's just better, smarter thinking. Business Florentino.
James, U.S. markets closed in the red after a hotter than expected inflation report crushed hopes for a June rate cut. The Dow was up by 422, the S&P down by 49, and then the Nasdaq off by 136. On Bay Street, the TSX was down 162 points to 22,199. The Bank of Canada's interest rate announcement today did not bring cuts, but it kept its overnight interest rate steady at 5%.